bring you this important news. Now we go to Logan inside.
On the weather, guys, there is a chemical property that is going on right now. For more information, we go to Kaitlynn, who is in the science room.
Hi, I'm Kaitlynn, a chemical property that scientists at the University of Minnesota never knew existed was just found. So I'm here to help you find out more about this chemical.
It's supposed to be very hot today. You may be able to see the chemicals react with each other today.
One thing you might be able to see is combustibility. It tells whether something will burn or not.
Talk about reactivity, which is another chemical property, and chemical properties describe how substances react with other substances. This property describes whether and how easily a substance reacts with another chemicals. I think it explains how the chemicals react when they are mixed with other chemicals. Go.
Now we'll be talking about the pH scale, which is how acid or a base a substance. If you look at the number 1 and 7 is how acid something, and 7-14 is how base something is, and how we measure this is by using the litmus paper inserted picture. This is how litmus paper works. You dip it in, when you take it out, you'll see that it got a little darker.
Now we're going to be doing an experiment where we mix an acid and a base. And we're using an acid such as vinegar and a base such as baking soda. Now let's get to the experiment. First, you dump in vinegar into a bottle. And next, you dump baking soda in. And it mixes. You can put the baking soda into a balloon, but we didn't have one. And it creates carbon dioxide. Yeah.
Hello people! Hi, we're here to talk to you about the experiment we just did.
When the vinegar hits the baking soda, it causes a chemical reaction which creates all these bubbles you see. The bubbles are producing a gas called carbon dioxide.
The reason why they form that white stuff, or the bubbles, on top is because when the vinegar, which is a very acidic acid, and the base touch together, they will mix and they create corrosion, and in those little bubbles is carbon dioxide.